A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Roll call, roll call, roll call, roll call. There's a meeting up in heaven, roll call. Is your name written there in the Lamb's Book of Life? Roll call, brother, sister, roll call. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God or talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, do it now. Click the subscribe button now and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here so. Today, I'm going to read from the letter we name Revelation, chapter 20, from verse 11 to verse 15. Then, me look and see one big white throne and somebody sit down on it. The earth and the sky did disappear from in front of him, and nobody never see them again. And me see dead people wey matter and people wey no matter, turn up in front of the throne, and some book did open up. And one another book did open up too. The book where God write down the name of the people them we gonna get to live forever. The dead people them get judged based upon what them did do. And what them did do did write down in the book them. All of the dead people them we did in the sea go before God fi go get judged. And all who did in the place where dead people there come back alive and go before God fi go get judged for all where them did do. Then death and the place where dead people there get fling down in the lake of fire. This are the last time people are go dead. The lake of fire are the last death. Anybody who for name no write down in the book where God write the name of the people them we go live forever and ever, them are go get fling down in the lake of fire too. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.